Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yeah, today I'm going to show you multiple ways to make money online using your phone, which is pretty awesome, and most of them are games, guys, and most of them, you can get them both on Google Play and the App Store, so that's always good. And one more thing, if you guys don't like my voice, then I don't know what you want me to do, like make you scrambled eggs or something, and yeah, let's move on. Today, oh yeah, one more thing, guys, or two more things. All the links are going to be in the description box below, and one more thing. The first comment I see on this video, I will give you a personal shout out in the next coming video after this one. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Alright guys, the first app is called Zekaramle. I know I said it wrong, but yeah, let's move on. All you do is fill out surveys, or watch videos, or even play games, guys. You get paid to play games and watch videos. Like, it can't get any better than that. You can do this on the side while you're like watching TV or just doing something like reading a book. And yeah, you can get this also on the App Store and Google Play. So yeah, it's very compatible with all types of devices or like phones. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's move on. Alright guys, the second app is called Toluca. It's called Toluca, and all you have to do is just fill out surveys and all that, which is pretty basic. But what makes this app really cool is that you can actually do things like taking pictures while you're out and about and get paid for your pictures, guys. Like, it's pretty awesome. And yeah, let's move on. Alright guys, the final app is called Bubblecast. I know some people might not like this type of way of making money online, but what I like to do is use all the previous apps you've seen in this video, and then reinvest that money into Bubblecast, so that I don't actually use my actual out-of-pocket money. You get what I'm saying, guys? And yeah, you can obviously lose some money, but at the same time, you definitely make a lot of money. Because if you invest like $15, you get a little bit more back. So if you invest like 15, you get like 17, I think, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, all you have to do is just play the game, and whoever gets the highest score wins. Obviously, the more players that are in the actual tournament, the like higher chance, the lower chance you have of winning is it's more people. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel like I've said multiple times. And yeah, see you guys later.